Dion, thank you so much for choosing to attend the Self-Made Speaker Academy.
You're welcome.
Tell me, who are you and what do you do?
So I am Dion Ible. I am a mosaic artist and a mother of two. So I create predominantly African-inspired mosaics, and I also run workshops to teach.
Amazing. Why did you decide to come along to our academy today?
Wow. So a few things. I wanted to inspire others like myself, other creatives especially, that they can actually go for their passion and they can really turn their lives around if they're doing something that's mundane. I also wanted to improve my communication skills and my social skills and my confidence, and also just to inspire others.
And what's one thing that you've learned today that you will apply to your speech?
Oh gosh, I want people to come away when I've done my speech. I want people to come away with a belief in themselves, that they have resilience and confidence and persistence.
Thank you so much for your time, Dion.
Thank you.